Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing wonderful during this period because as you know we have COVID-19 and I really want to emphasize the importance of staying safe and my best wishes to everybody. So let's move on to the unboxing. As you can see right in front of you, I have got a number of items to unbox and right now I have 3 and they are really very special pieces that are not easy to obtain, and I hope that you will like this video. So let me know down in the comment section below what you think of them. And also if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe channel now and click on the alert button so that in future you will be notified whenever I upload some videos. And don't forget to click on the like button after you finish watching the video, and do let me know if you have any questions. So let's move on to the unboxing. Have you subscribed to my channel? Click on subscribe. Let's unbox this one first. As you can tell from the length of this box, you should have already guessed what it is. So let's unbox together. I have not unboxed this, so I'm waiting to unbox everything over here with you. It is always very exciting to unbox something in a very pretty packaging, because normally a pretty packaging will normally indicate that something inside is very beautiful. And of course this is an orange box, so you should be excited every time when you unbox an orange box with this logo. Okay, let's take a look at what's inside. I really love this piece, and it is not easy to get this. It's a fully pink rodeo. If you have caught my earlier video, you would have seen that I have recently unboxed a fully black rodeo. So this one is a fully pink rodeo, and the color is darker than sakura. This color is called the rose. Hold on. Rose azale. So it's a very nice pink. It's more like the lipstick kind of pink, with a little tone of reddish inside. Of course, it's not as light as sakura. Sakura is more like pink but closer to paper white, and this one is more like pink but more to the rosy side. There's a tint of red which gives you this color. It's a very beautiful piece and it's fully rose. It's not mixed with any other color. Those rodeos that are mixed with other colors are normally more common. So what I'm normally looking for is something that is uncommon, which will be this. And I'm thinking of pairing this pink rodeo along with my black rodeo so that they look really beautiful and they don't look complicated even when they are being packed together. So just imagine if I have one of these, one of the black and one purple. Oh my god, I'll be so excited. Imagine 3 rodeos being crammed together. Or maybe they are too much. Maybe they will go well, like 3 rodeos go well together in a Birkin 30 because you have sufficient background space for the 3 rodeos to be spaced on. So, oh yeah, talking about that, let's try out on my Birkin. Since this is pink color, maybe I can put on a bluish Birkin. Let's make space for the Birkin to come. There you go. This is the Birkin. Let's adjust the camera a little. This box. Bye boxes. See you later. Birkin got to take the attention now. Okay, what I have in front of me is my blue ostrich Birkin. I use this as an example so that you can see there's actually a very nice contrast here. And also, take a look, isn't it beautiful? Like the pink goes well with the blue. I think it's beautiful. What do you think? And normally for size 35, users will normally use a slightly larger rodeo. But in this case, even if I have the smallest rodeo being hung on a Birkin 35, I don't think it looks out of proportion. I think it just looks perfect. Of course, it will work well with larger rodeos as well, but I think it just looks perfect, you know. Yeah, talking about the pairing of another solid color rodeo, just give me 1 second. I'm going to take the black rodeo. There you go, this is my black rodeo. And we can actually pair them together by hanging one on top of another. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Ooh, isn't it beautiful? I kind of like it though. Let me know what you think. You can put down in the comment section below. I don't think it looks too complicated because they are solid colors. Imagine you have rodeo that is of different color on the strap versus, you know, different color on the tail and another color over here, another color over here. It may look a bit too complicated to hang multiple colors together, but in this case, it's actually solid color. And also, my Birkin is not multicolor, it's just a plain solid color. So I think these three colors go pretty well together, and I can just carry them out like that. It looks very sweet, isn't it? And they're not too huge. Imagine two medium-sized rodeo being packed together. It could look a little overwhelming, but in this case, I pretty much like them. I think it's cool. Let me know what you think. Pink on top of black when I go out. Oh, if I have a pink dress, maybe I'll put this outside. And if I want to look more subtle, if I wear dark color clothing, I would just layer this on top of my pink. What do you think? It's nice, isn't it? And pairing it with an additional twilly might look a bit too much if you intend to have two rodeos hanging together. Imagine one twilly here and another twilly there. That would be too much, like too complicated. And in addition, if your Birkin is ostrich leather or if it's crocodile or lizard, the texture might be a little too complicated as a background to, you know, so many things around. Like you got patterns on your twilly, you got patterns on the background, you know, over here the leather, and you got like, you know, it just looks too complicated if you have all this around. So yeah. And one thing I noticed is that if you have a patterned leather, of course the exotic skins, they have patterns. So if you have those kind of leather and you want something that will bring down the complication, maybe you can choose solid color rodeos. You know, they will look more subtle, look more classic. So here it is. Let me know what you think. Put down in the comment section below, and don't forget, if you have not subscribed to my video, click on the subscribe button now, and also click on the alert button so that you can see me uploading all my purchases on the YouTube, because everybody loves unboxing, isn't it? So please click on the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. So take care and watch out for part 2. Bye bye guys.